Nature and luxury come together at Labranda Alantur Hotel. Let's explore this amazing beachfront retreat, set in lush gardens with direct access to the beach. This five-star resort offers a relaxing escape with stunning views and excellent amenities. The spacious rooms and multiple dining options make it a perfect spot for travellers seeking comfort and variety. With multiple pools, a spa and a kids club, it's great for both families and couples looking for a balanced vacation. Guests love the scenic atmosphere and friendly service, though some mention that the Wi-Fi could be improved. Would you visit Labranda Alantur Hotel? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.